Everybody's having a good day so far. It's really just been a day of chop. Now, it looks like the SPY is coiling up for a move here. You've seen it start to flash like it's going to bait people that it's coming up, flashes like it's about to come down, and has been really just been kind of trapped in this range here right around that 396.50 that we were talking about all morning long. So again, team, since this is a public stream as well, if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button on the way in, helps out a whole lot over here with the algos, getting these streams out to smart people. I mean, you guys saw the things that we were calling out yesterday. Everybody was giving me nonsense that the stream was called massive or huge sell-off coming when we were fucking around like this. And then what happened? Let's see if we're going to get another crazy move today. It'd be very, very interesting if we did. SPY is starting to slowly chop here. You see Microsoft kind of bouncing around between the 13 and the 200 here. Apple fucking around a bit as well, trying to get above that 48 there. Nancy slipping a little lower here. I don't know. We will see. Theta Burn Wednesday. That's what it looks like, dude. What's up, SCV? Not much. Stout. How you doing, my man? All right, folks. Hopefully everybody's having a good day today. You guys are slaughtering the like button already. Jesus, I appreciate that. So let's see what we get over here. I think we are coiling for a pretty aggressive move going into later in the day. I think it could go either way, though. I don't really have a bias on this one. It doesn't look like that you could see that aggressive cascading sell unless something crazy happens. So you saw that big sell off here. I did hit these SPY puts on the way down. They were like what 12%, I think they were. So now I'm just kind of waiting to see where it's going to go. I mean, you can watch this right here with SPY just crossed down below its RSI here, the moving average. You also see the MACD fizzling here as well. I don't know. You could be in for some more movement down, but let's see. You do have some room to move here. Hoping for sell-off short term, of course. There you go. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's fucking do it here. It's just pitter-pattering. It's just like, dee, 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 dee. Let's see if it comes back above the 13. Apple needs to get above its 48. I mean, if Apple slips VWAP and the 13 here, that could be a little aggressive to the downside. But we will see. We will see. Any tickers you guys looking at right now? Oh, damn, Gerald. Fucking killing it on DraftKings. Fuck. Wish I saw that one. Yeah, Gemini also potential for some nonsense there with the FTX situation as well, which could be a little nasty, man. Yeah, Apple slipping a little lower here. Microsoft slipping a little lower. I don't know. They could just be baiting you again. It's just a slow day. Not much you can do. Don't risk a damn penny. Yeah, I saw you. What are you up 1% today? That's solid, dude. I don't know what the problem is with being up 1%. That's fucking amazing. Again, think about that compound interest calculator and what you need to make every single day to get yourself where you need to be 6 months from now. Apple, nice little pop there. Let's see. Let's get Tesla up here as well. Tesla not doing anything. If Apple can break above this that 48 there, that could be fun. You could see it run up a little bit. Like number 44 where it counts. Thank you. Thank you. Baba and AMD. Let's take a look at those. Baba. Nothing, just continuing to sell. I mean, you could play the earnings on it. It could be a big mover. But they move crazy anyway. So I'd be careful with Baba there. It's coming down to support. What is that? 77.50 basically. So watch that level. And then AMD was right at a couple of key levels earlier. Oh, it slipped below. Yeah, I mean, everything right now looks like it's just pitter-patter chopping around. That's all it looks like there. 245% on a firm puts that you bought yesterday. Caleb, you monster. That's great, dude. Congratulations. I got my liquid IV too, which is great, man. Also, shout out to DM Ohio too. Yesterday for all those gifted subs. Thank you, man. I appreciate that if you're lurking around in here. Yeah, dude, they're slowly pitter-patter in this thing. So you might be in for a knife candle soon, but I don't know. We'll see. Think NVIDIA runs into earnings? Not today. It's down 3% right now. If you want to take a look at emotional damage, look at the Visa chart. Oh, I know there's another emotional damage. This is just Chop City emotional damage here. I mean, if you're playing the levels, you slaughtered it here. Playing it off this low back up, but that's just Chop City. That's all that is. Are you right with the read on IWM? Looks like a reversal coming. Trying to figure out if I'm reading it right. Let's take a look. I mean, if you look at this with the MACD, it looks okay. You need it above VWAP in the 48 here for it to really do anything special. Because then you're gonna have you basically have to think of these as two brick walls. You have the VWAP right here, the 48 right here, and they're both gonna act as brick walls. Of course, shout out to you, DM Ohio. Thank you, man. Let's see. Microsoft fucking around. Inverse head and shoulders on the SPY. I mean, it's fucked up, but sorta. Or you could just say that this is a head and shoulders right here. But I wouldn't chart patterns, guys. Careful with those. Just play the momentum. Oh, Apple with a little slip there. SPY with a little slip. Everything's starting to slip lower. You think we could be in for some aggressive selling today, team? You think so? Maybe it's the move to the downside that we get. Where is how's this looking? It's slowly chopping. It's chopping its way there. Let's see what we get. It's getting bought up a little bit. Let's see. Hope everything's good. What are your thoughts on Tesla for the rest of the day? We can take a look at. I mean, Tesla right here just looks pretty flatlined. You've got supported around 186.50, 186.60. So I would watch those. Other than that, unless the market makes a big move or there's news on Tesla, it's probably going to chop around with the rest of the market, man, which is kind of what we're seeing here. Here comes SPY a little. Let's see. Might be a lunchtime sell-off. It could be. It could be. Microsoft slipping. I mean, if these candles close down below, you might see them die. Where have you been? Dude, I've been live every day in midday for like the last couple weeks. And again, I'm live every single day with everybody with 1348. Those of you guys who have actually shown that you want to come in and learn and use the most powerful trading tools available to retail, that's where I've been. Let's see. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see what we get here. SPY looks a little bit selly. Let's see if it cracks. Let's see if it cracks, dude. I want another one of these candles. Just boom. Boom candle. Yeah, there goes Microsoft again. It's kind of holding up at the 13 there. Apple's holding up here too. I don't know, man. I mean, you could see one of these bait candles, and then the next green one, the next candle that opens just goes boom right up. Let's see. Yeah, make sure you have notifications turned on, Matthew, too. And that goes for all you guys, too. Make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel so you guys know when we're posting videos and going live. Come on. What are we going to get? I mean, the break of 395 could be aggressive if you end up getting all the way down there. It doesn't look like it wants to right now. Let's see. You feel like NVIDIA is going to push into earnings? It could. It had decent news today with Microsoft, but... Oh, there goes that pop. Oh, that was a pop, lock, and drop. They sold into that thing quick. They said, no, fuck you. That was great. Dude, I love watching because you watch price action sometimes and you're like, this is all just human emotion being painted out on the charts. It's very cool. Let's see. One there. Bing. I don't know. Let's see. You were watching in Discord? Well, I don't send out like a at everyone thing in the Discord for you guys because these are the public lives. I just kind of send the link in there, and if you're in there lurking around, you'll see it. There it is. All right, let's see what happens with SPY. Let's see what happens with Microsoft. See what happens with Apple. Apple popping up a little bit there. Very nice. Let's see. There goes a nice little SPY pop. Come on. Come on, market. Pick a direction. You were on the 1 minute for that jolly giant green candle. I haven't seen shit. Might not even do shit today. That's probably a good idea, Squirrel. There's not much going on here. Unless there's something crazy that happens and you just knife again. I don't know. Which, I mean, that would be pretty nutty if it did. Yeah, SPY's using 396 as a fucking magnet here. So if it can close down below, really start to sell hard, then maybe. But Apple looks like it wants to get up a little bit here. Microsoft looks okay. Let's see. Actually, we need to put something here. Right there. Cool. Might watch to the break of 395. That's all I see. That's what I'm thinking. That's really what I'm. Get that cough checked out? No, I won't actually. I'll be fine. What do you think? I have COVID? No. All right. If Apple can break 149, that could get a little spicy. Microsoft not doing shit. $4 win today. Talking about growing your small account. Hey, a win's a win, man. Don't be upset that you have a win. Like a green day is a green day. You didn't lose money. AA cross down and MACD about to print red. Ooh. Yeah, what? That's hanging on to VWAP right here. It's barely hanging on. There comes SPY back up. Microsoft. There it goes. Let's see. Okay. Oh, hold on. White House says U.S. has full confidence in Polish expansion probe. Interesting. All right, team. Let's see. We are 22 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. If you guys have not hit that like button on the way in already, if you wouldn't mind hitting that over there, helps out a whole lot, gets more people in here. All right, Apple looks like it wants to get a little bit of movement here. Little bit. 4-hour support on AA. Yeah. How's Invictus is 3 for 4 today, 75%. Not bad. Not bad there. SPY right back down. Oh, it said explosion probe? Explosion probe, not expansion. Sorry. I can't read. My bad. Sometimes I can't read. All right. Again, it's just 396.50 and 396 have been a bitch for the SPY. Like literally nothing's going on. There's like nothing really happening here. Let's see. Microsoft trying, nothing too crazy though. Let's see. SPY kind of flickering here. If it gets another closing candle below that 13 in the next minute or so, the bears might have it for a little bit, but we'll see. White House says US sees nothing that contradicts Duda's assessment. Interesting. All right, there's the new candle. Apple got another one above the 48. Let's see. Yeah, it's still looking okay. It's just Chop City here. There goes Microsoft a little bit. Lulu got a call signal on the 5. Lulu is going to have shitty spreads, so I'd be careful. And the 200's right there. I'd be a little bit careful with Lulu. Here comes SPY on the way up. Nope. Very slow. Very slow movements here. Feels like a fucking tortoise. Need an anti-chop device? I don't think you're going to get that. We'll see. I mean, going into later in the day, I think you're kind of coiling up for a big move in either direction here. I mean, you could easily start to break out above this 48 in VWAP here and start to make a run to the 200. But you've also shown signs that the sellers have been in pretty solid control today. Just overall, just selling it off here, selling it off aggressively here. You just haven't seen that cascading sell over here yet. Now you can later, but we'll have to end up waiting to see what's going to happen. I mean, it's not, I mean, SPY's kind of holding here nicely. You got Microsoft trying to run up a little bit. Apple, same thing. And Tesla, sort of, but if Tesla gets above VWAP in the 48 here, that would be interesting. Here comes Microsoft. Reaching. It's trying. Do I have DMs? Oh boy. Squirrel, what did you send me? What did you send me? Stop. 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 Stop sending me war memes. Invictus just called out Apple. That's not bad up to the 200. I don't hate that. All right, Microsoft, you going to make that run to 243? Apple looks okay there. It's just right at resistance, dude. It needs to break 149. If it breaks 149, you could be in good shape. Microsoft holding. Apple looks okay. Nvidia moving back up. Is it? Yeah, Nvidia's trying here. SPY rejected at VWAP. I don't know, man. I don't know. You're just sitting out instead? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Everything's flickering. Nail biter? Not really. It's just like watching fucking paint dry over here. There goes Apple again. $148.88. It's literally this price right here. With that, well, that $148.90, it doesn't like. AR guy, how'd you do that, dude? Is that from swings? What? How did you let that happen? Oh, 3 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. All right. Let's see here. And again, for those of you guys that did not hear yesterday, little special announcement. Everybody that is in with us right now with 1348 gets access to that special basic. It's like 48% off, but from the current price that it is. So it'll be coming out at around 49. And everybody in there with us right now gets access to that deal for life. So if you guys do want to hop in there with us, Invictus has been on an absolute fucking tear. So it's currently, I think, what was yesterday's success rate? 79% cross rate. You guys saw me with that Invictus. There goes Microsoft. Here comes SPY a little bit. Come on. Let's see some action. Let's see some boom booms. Go. Apple shot right up to the 200 there. That was a big. See, it keeps doing that. It keeps shooting and then selling right back off into everything. Huh. I don't know. But yeah, Invictus has been on an absolute tear. That is an absolute monster. So if you guys do want to hop in there, I will throw that link in there for you guys right here too. But make sure you guys hop in there before it's too late if you guys do want to get that offer. So everybody that's in there with us before we launch very soon is going to get access to that offer. Let's see. Apple, I mean, it's hunting the cross there. So let's see if it gets it. I mean, Microsoft would be great if it shot up above 243. Let's see. Yeah, big volume on that 1 minute candle on Apple. I didn't see any news on it, but let's see if SPY can start running up here nicely. Here comes Microsoft a little. No, not yet. NCLH is for next week, so I expect it can reverse back up. SPY expires tomorrow. Oh, okay. Yeah, be careful with those swings, dude. You're playing with fire. Unless you're trading with a very, very small percentage of your account, swinging with not a lot of time to expiration is extremely dangerous. Seeing if Microsoft can get that move. SPY doesn't like it here. It still says 96. Right, because right now it's 96, but only the people that are in with us right now are able to get access to that offer when it comes out very soon. Let's see. All right, Microsoft's starting to move a little bit here. Let's see. SPY moving up a little. I mean, if this thing breaks the highs, that could be a little interesting. Yeah, it's not available yet. Been here since day one. OG69 for you. There you go. You missed the exit point yesterday. Oh, and those big sell-offs. Yeah. All right, let's see if these are going to do it. If Apple can break, I mean, if Apple makes that move up to 150, that'd be interesting. SPY's trying here. SPY is really trying to make that move up. No, no. Yeah, it should be. You'll still be able to use it on like a mobile browser. Yeah, you'll be fine. And then the app will come soon after. Microsoft making its way downtown here. SPY trying to move back up. Apple, it just came up, rejected that 200 EMA. So let's see if it wants to get up there a little bit. Put you in a bad mood yesterday, so you stopped trading emotional damage. Yeah. I mean, if you're feeling emotional about your trades, you gotta get out. Coin says it has zero exposure to Genesis trading. Do we trust them? That's the thing with all these crypto companies is, do you trust them? That's the issue here. It's, do you have any trust for these crypto companies? All right, SPY sold back off into Apple, same deal. The rest were traders and snakes. I'd like to make my way downtown. You need about 150. No. Not happening. All right. Couldn't get above VWAP there. SPY selling back off. see. All right, team. Let's see what we got here. It'd be interesting if SPY went on a little pop. Where were these this morning? Oh, that would be nice. You're a big fan of crypto, but I don't believe that any institution can have zero exposure to anything in crypto because they're all interlinked. I'd have to agree with you there. That's why I don't trust any of them. Zero. SPY trying to head up above VWAP here again. You're really watching 243 on Microsoft. If it gets there, cool. If it doesn't, it's probably going to reject back down. Nope. 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 Oh, hello. Let's see. Yeah, cold storage, 100%. It doesn't make any sense to leave it on an exchange. Like the only way, and again, people are like, "Oh, but I want to be able to track my portfolio." It's like you have a damn calculator, bro. Just calculate it. Or you can literally set up like in an Excel spreadsheet, X amount of coins, track Bitcoin. There you go. It's really simple. I do hate your yields, Ryan. I do very much hate your yields. They make no sense. I mean, they do sort of make sense about the what do you call it, cover calls. But in general, I'm just gonna scream no at it for a while. Let's see. Yeah, things are slowly moving. Nancy is hunting across up here. Apple looks like it's gonna get its. SPY's getting a little bit of juice here, but it keeps getting knocked down from these levels. In all fairness, it's not just crypto problem. All the major banks are this. Yes, that's true. But the thing is that you have backstops in the banking institutions that you don't have in the crypto market, really, unless somebody else comes in on their own volition, tries to bail somebody out, which obviously has not gone well. SPY making some nice movements here. Let's see if we can get up. 2 minutes left to go on another candle. Let's see. Let's see if we get some bullishness today. It would be fun. Not yet. Apple not moving on this little SPY pop here. Hold on. We got any more Invictus here? Yeah, the Apple one's active, but that's probably going to hit soon. SPY run would not be too bad. Let's see. Unlike what happened in 2008 with the banks, I don't see a bailout coming for crypto if everything starts crashing down. I agree. I think they will just scorch earth it because again, it's not in their best interest right now to let it fly. All right, there we go. There we go. Microsoft trying to make its way up to 243. Apple trying. It looks like it's about to get this cross. SPY getting a nice candle here. If it can break above a couple of these up here, that would be interesting. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Here comes Microsoft with a nice move up. Let's see. Took some scalps on the SPY this morning. 10 contracts at 30%. Feeling good. Have a great day, Mr. Wacko. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. All right. Microsoft is above 243 right now. It is trying to rip higher. SPY is getting a nice move to the upside there. Here's what we're probably going to do. Oh, shit. What the? Hold on. Yeah, that's what we need there. I almost just goofed it. Wow, these Microsofts are going fucking nutty. Now I can do this. Boom. Wow, that's really getting up there. Hello, Microsoft. Thank you. Up a nice 25% on these Microsoft calls. That's nice. Now it's 24. It is what it is, bro. All right, gonna move a stop up. Yeah, I almost goofed it on the stop. I think I moved like the stop price to like something stupid to like where I wanted to sell it. Come on. Right there. Right there. Right there. All right, let's see if we continue to get this rip higher and break these highs. SPY coming up to that 200. It is rejecting though, so be careful. I'm up a nice 24% on these, which is sweet. 30-year bond auction just happened. Oh, very smart. Yeah, that's a nice candle. I want to see if it breaks the high. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Nancy levels. You're really watching the 200 EMA and the break of this right here. One's this previous little level, right? But basically where it's at right now. SPY still headed higher. Microsoft trying a little bit here. You got 4 minutes to go on these candles. It could easily get sold back into here. So Apple Cross, how's Invictus doing? Let me refresh this. It might be slightly delayed. Yeah, so the Apple one did cross. It's probably going to wait for the end of this candle, but that's going to send Invictus to 80% success rate. Let's see if it holds. No, SPY didn't like its 200. Microsoft's still holding though. That's not bad. What are these up? 20%? Cool. Oh, 23, 22. Do I have a screenshot of these? Nice. Nice. Yeah, SPY's hunting here. So let's see. If Microsoft can break the high, run up to 244, that'd be pretty sweet. I got my stop set. If it stops me out, cool. I cannot lose on this trade. Any plays today? Yeah, I've played Microsoft a little bit of SPY too. On this crackdown here. I was fucking around with it right here, but I just ditched it quick. I was like, I don't like that. But all right, these are up nicely. Let's see if we get another shooting candle up. That'd be nice. If SPY comes up and tests that 200 again, you could see Microsoft really break those highs. They're the 245s is what I have, but it's too late to do it now. You'd be chasing it. Just made 20% on an Apple Invictus play. Fuck yeah, Lori. Guys, I'm telling you, Invictus is the truth. Almost all of my trades now that we've tweaked Invictus are going to be Invictus. I have so much confidence in this thing. It's a monster. Then when you combine the stop loss strategy with it, game, set, match. It's a fucking beast. Bitcoin can never be effectively leveraged or insuring DeFi tokens never works out. People shorted Luna incurred losses when Luna dropped 90%. How? That seems a bit weird. Here comes Microsoft. These are up 25, 23, flickering a little here. I don't know. Let's see. You're only playing Invictus now. Is there an Invictus coming with crypto alerts? At some point, yeah. At some point, we're gonna continue to just make everything like continuously better all of the time. What's it at right now? I'll probably be able to tell you. That's yesterday. What's today? Yeah, let me refresh this. Yeah, it still hasn't gotten the Apple one yet. It's probably waiting for these candles to close. But what we've had today is Amazon crossed, Microsoft crossed, Nvidia dead, AA crossed, Apple active, which is about to cross, most likely. So let's see what happens here. House Financial Services Committee to hold a hearing in December on the collapse of FTX and broader consequences for the digital asset ecosystem. Yeah, I saw that earlier, DM. That's a bit interesting. That is pretty interesting. Yeah, that'll be like the Robin Hood ones of last year. Moderna Invictus just got one. I don't. It's probably taking a second over here. Let me look. I just got a few. QQQ, Spy. Let's see. Let's see how these go. Yeah, I don't see a Moderna though. I don't. Oh, I do see one over here. Oh yeah, that just came in. Invictus comes alive. Oh yeah, let's see how we do. If Spy can break that 200 EMA, could be fun. Mm. Mm. Oh, Microsoft, you dirty fucking dog. Those are up 30% now. Time to move the stop up 31%. Boom, baby. Fucking printing as usual. Oops. Printing as usual. Microsoft just broke its highs. I just moved my stop up. Very nice. Maybe a flash candle. Yeah, these are still up 26. So Spy's got to break that 200 EMA. That's the second test of it. Oops. Apple didn't like it either. Microsoft, I mean, it's holding on to a little bit of those gains. It's 30 cents off the high. If it gets a closing candle above the previous high, that would be sweet. These are up 27%. Nice. I like it. You took the Invictus call earlier, went down, said it was dead, trying to be patient. Held and sold at a profit. Dan. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. Yeah, now it's coming down here. Oh. Yeah, we're still chilling on these. These are up 25. I mean, Microsoft could get jumpy here. That'd be fun. Fast stock news. ECB officials may favor 50 basis point rate hike in December rather than 75. It makes sense to go 50, man. I mean, you are starting to see data come into the right direction, but not enough so that is everybody's like, oh my God, pivot. Like, it doesn't make sense. Is there an AMC one? I don't know. Take a look at it. Is there one? I don't see one. No, I don't see one. All right, Spy rejecting here a little bit. Same thing with Microsoft, Apple. Cool. Oh, there is an AMC one. I see it now. I see it now. All right, Spy rejecting. Let's see if Microsoft can hold 243. I don't know if it's going to be able to. This might take me out. Nah, I don't think it will. It's still got room. It's still got room. Let's see what Spy wants to do. That was a nice move up here. I've already locked in some gains, and where the stop is some more nice gains. Do I stream every day? Yeah. Well, from 12. Well, publicly, I stream from about 12:15 to basically like 2:15 or 2:30. Depends on the day. But every single day in our community, I am live 8:45 to 10:30. Then Gabe comes on from about 10:30 to 12, and then we come on in the afternoon too. So we have the entire day covered for you guys, plus Invictus as well, and Pythagoras, and Trader Joe, and the curriculum videos, and the new stuff that we have come. It's pretty crazy. Let's see what we get here. Microsoft holding. I mean, if Spy makes another nice move up here, this could be spicy. If it breaks that 200 EMA and starts running, pay me. Yeah, alerted at 12:50. I see it. Took Apple waiting for the fireworks. It's got to break the 200. It's rimming the 13 and the 48 right here. Microsoft, what you doing here? Yeah, these are only up like 17 now. 17%, 17 and a half. Let's see. All right, team. Again, if you guys have not already, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see. You guys are killing it so far. What are we, 24 away from 150? Thank you, team. What up, peeps? Not much, buddy. How you doing? Netflix. Yeah, they're all getting moves up. I don't want to overdo it to the upside here. That's already also, here's a good example. Netflix has already run from 303, let's say 304, to where it is at right now at 308. That's a $4 move. That's pretty big. I'd watch out for that a little bit. Microsoft. Come on, pal. I mean, it's done this a few times where it flashes, it consolidates, and then goes boom. So let's see if it wants to make that continue to move up. If it doesn't, it just gives me more money. It just gives me more. And it comes down and it's like, okay. Let's see. Dixie rimming the 248 on the 5. Where's the dollar? Yeah, the dollar had a nice pop there. Almost coinciding with that SPY sell-off off the 200. So SPY's coming down. Microsoft might slip 243 here, especially if Apple. I mean, you're really watching VWAP at 148.50. Big retracement on Apple. I mean, it's not that big, but no, SPY's not having fun here. So we got a nice move. Let's see where it's going to take us going in the future, though. Oh, shit. This is close to the stop now. I didn't realize it was this fucking close. Up more. Up more. Go. It's close. Let's see here. Yeah, Nancy's bouncing off the 13. SPY's. I mean, if you look at this here, this doesn't look too pretty. It'd be cool if it just went like it kind of consolidated and then started to make its move up here. But I mean, the rejection off of the 13 or the 200 there was pretty aggressive. Well, let's see. What's going on Twitter? Anything useful? Let's see. Anything useful? Let's see. Yeah, NVIDIA teams up with Microsoft to build cloud AI computer that came out this morning. Yeah, I don't see anything useful here. Strategic Petroleum Reserve drained to March 1984 levels. Uh-oh. Oh, no, that's fine. Whenever I see this bottom wick, if I'm not clicked on it, I'm always like, oh, shit, Weeble's going to glitch me out and send it lower. Okay. Yeah, I don't really see much over here. U.S. household debt climbed at the fastest annual pace since 2008 in the third quarter. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, the 50 basis point stuff, over 75. Again, people are gonna read into that and say it's very bullish. It's not. Where they could do 50 basis points into fucking eternity. We don't know where the terminal rate's gonna be. That's the issue with this whole situation that we're in right now with rates, inflation, and the Fed. Nobody knows when the end is. Even if they back off a little bit, you might see a little bit of a bullish reaction. But other than that, here comes Microsoft teetering 243. These might get touched here. Oh, it's close. Yeah, so the stop is at 12%, I think. Profit, I think. Around there. Something like that. Your memes were useful. I laughed. That's about it. Yeah, these are going to get touched here, I think. Unless it bounces hard. See, I don't want to move it back down. That's the problem. I don't want to move the stop back down because I don't think the market at this point, rejecting off the 200 EMA, is going to go boom season. But we were talking about the potential for a nice move coming in, and we did just get one off of these lows, which thank you, Microsoft. But at the same time, it's like, it's teetering. Netflix is overbought. What did we say on Netflix? Remember, this is exactly what we were looking for on Netflix here. It's already moved $6. You got the Invictus where? Where was the Invictus on Netflix? 10 minutes ago. So it was back here. I thought those got sold. So it was back here coming into these candles. So you could have written it up for 308, basically $1 there, but ooh, these are really close. They're going to hit right here. Yeah, they got sold. Well, It is what it is. There comes SPY lower. So locked in like 12% on that one. I'm not getting puts here though. That would be crazy. That would be what I would call psycho behavior if I were to get puts now. You really need it to break this low. Nice. SPY takes the 385. No. And right back up. So I swear to God, if Microsoft is back above 243 right now, I'm going to cause a scene. Good. Fuck you, Microsoft. That was a solid trade, though. That was really good. Candle look like a stop loss hunt. Yeah, I mean, you could say that, but the problem is that it's already just severely rejected twice off of the 200 EMA. The buyers couldn't get it up there. Ryan, thank you, buddy. Let's see. Ford Motor selects Rockwell Automation to advance EV program. ROK. Hold on. Rockwell Automotive. I don't know if this thing's going to go here. Where's Ford? Is this moving? Nope. ROK. That would probably be some fucking market moving news, wouldn't it? Nope. Apparently not. Yeah, I mean, this did hit here. It does look like it crossed and then just crossed right back down. Yeah, so right now Invictus is 6 for 7 on today, 86%. So here's what you have to watch out for on things like this when you're this close to the 200 EMA. You see this flash up, even though it was quick, it's right at that key resistance level right there. So that was probably a good time to start taking profits. I mean, that's when I was selling or scaling out of my Microsofts and then set a stop deep in profit. Fuck you, Microsoft. Asshole. Invictus down. VWAPs right here. I probably wouldn't touch that. But dude, I mean, Invictus is just a monster. Yeah, 86%, dude. Like, imagine if you're just trying to scalp base hits, 10%, boom, done, out, boom, done, out. You're just continuously scalping them. It's such a powerful tool. Let's see. Oh, 10 likes away from 150. I appreciate you, team. Let's see. Yeah, and yesterday I did make a video for you guys. I mean, I was live twice, and then I was thinking, I was like, there's not really a lot to talk about here from what happened yesterday. Yeah, we got Chop Day right now. Slap a like and show some love. Moonbound, I appreciate that. And yeah, again, guys, remember, those of you guys that are in there with us right now, in our group, will get access to that. If you're a 96er, it'll be around a 50% monthly discount, and it's not just one time. So for those of you guys that have been with us for a while, and again, yesterday you saw some of the nonsense that we have to deal with all the time. I mean, you guys just got a tiny little sliver of just the weird shit that goes on behind the scenes. We want to reward you guys for making what we have coming possible. So you guys will all have access to that. And if you enter in there now, you will also still get access to that deal when it comes out. There will be deals in the future, but they won't be as good as this one that we're going to have for launch. You can always finish that video about cover calls. Fuck, I could have done that. Sorry. Yeah, I do have that one. Literally just in my thing. I just have to clip it up. Remember, since February here, Barry, there you go. Yeah, let me see. How's the gains channel doing today? 4% on the day. 50% on Amazon calls. Jesus, Elgene. 9% on the day. 9%, 9.64% on the day. 21% on the day. Shining Wiz, you fucking monster, bro. 200% on Neo puts. That's dirty. 66. Dude, you guys are killing it. I love it. What's the fun play of the day? I don't have one right now. No, Ryan, you won't. You'll be good. The subscription will not be through Patreon. When it's time, very soon, we will walk you guys through the exact process of how to do it. It's very simple though. Very simple. Let's see. Zero trades. That's not the worst thing in the world. This is just chop city. Like there's not you might see some craziness going into later in the day, but I mean there's opportunity. The best opportunity of the day was honestly, there's two of them. There was here and then the 200 EMA rejection. Those are really the only two. I don't want Microsoft on my screen anymore because it's gonna make me sad if this thing ends up ripping. And fucking Amazon, bro. Amazon, even after this giant run up here, is still well below where I sold my putsy yesterday, like here. Yeah, Nico, it's not what do you call it? It's moving completely away from Discord. We hate the term Discord. The connotation with Discord is terrible. Um and really Discord the whole entire time was a means to an end. Does it have an app for mobile? Soon. Soon it will. But it's going to be sweet. The things that we have in the pipeline are wild. Like remember, we like to come up with our own ideas over here. And make sure that the things that we have are fully thought out for you guys. And it's like we came up with Invictus. That was really awesome. We tweaked it over these last few weeks, and it is even more powerful. We have Pythagoras, Trader Joe, and something cool coming. My son saw the Discord app on desktop and asked if it was born. So yeah, I saw the connotation. Okay. Fair enough, bro. Fair enough. You can see it on their face. Yeah. Millie says Russia's attack on Ukraine energy grid is a war crime. Interesting. Feds daily. We want to see the economy slow. Cool. Let's see. All right, folks. What are we gonna get? This 396 and like 396.50 level is just like a magnet. New app interface with people so I can auto trade. I've got something for you guys. It's gonna take a little bit, but I've got something cooking. 1348 on AMC, played puts down, calls up. Nice, man. There you go. Very, very, very tradable stock there. TMI doesn't need that. That's true. I mean, he doesn't, but it's always nice to have. Meta Invictus called it 10 minutes ago. Yeah, but hold on. Let me see what the success rate is now. Still 86. Yeah, there's Facebook. Yeah, that kind of looks like how we were seeing in video over here. Okay. It's just everything is moving so slowly. I probably won't touch much until we see some volume or volatility pick back up. Thoughts on Apple 150 today? It's got to break that 200, man. It's got to break that 200. Then yeah, you could see it up there. But what's that at 149.48? So it's you've got two big tests of it right here, right alongside a SPY. Let's see. I think Bob will fill that gap up from the other day. Well, it does have earnings, so it could. You never know. All right, let's see if SPY can get back above a couple of these levels here, 13, the 48, and the VWAP. Let's see if Facebook can get a nice little movement up here too. That'd be fun. A little Facebook Invictus. Hold on. Thinking. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Boom, right there. Cool. How do you determine your buy point and for SPY calls? I would just use Invictus, honestly. Right now you're just seeing Chop City with the market today. So we'll see if the SPY wants to make another movement back up here to the 200. It'd be interesting if it did. You need another closing candle above the 48. Let's see if you get this cross. Let's see. How's this doing over here? Yeah, so now so Ung got called dead. So now Invictus is 7 for 10 today, 70% success rate. Is the new platform it's moving to safe? What do you mean by safe? Yeah, it's safe. Facebook pop. There we go. What do you mean by safe? Yeah, it's secured. It's got a lot of interesting bells and whistles on it too. Facebook. Oh yeah, it's all secured, Cody. It's all secure. It's not us. We have processors and stuff all set up ready to go. Here comes SPY with a nice movement to the upside there. Do I just full degen it and just scalp these like a crazy person? Just like ping, 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 ping. Yeah, it's all secure. It's all secure checkout. Like if Facebook ends up making its way up to that, what do you call it, 200 there, which you would need SPY to really rip. Okay, thanks. You're welcome, Cody. 114.44. Yeah, this one. If it breaks above there, you could be in for some fun. Apple moving, SPY moving. Facebook not moving. You got 3 minutes left to go on this candle. If you want to see some bullish momentum, hopefully this just doesn't, hopefully it doesn't get just sold right into there. That would not be ideal. Buy and sell alerts. Oh, God. Oh, God. That's terrible. Let's see. Yeah, Tom, it actually comes down. So remember, for all you guys that have been in there with us for a while, you're actually getting a discount. And I mean, if you guys want to hop in there now and make sure that you can secure that offer, I mean, if anybody's that's in there before launch is going to get access to that offer. And sold right into. A giant bear flag from I can see that. You almost need another test up though. When's launch? Soon. Very soon. Like I would almost say, Squirrel, that you need one more and then bing, dead. Because from here, like, yeah, you could see it if you're looking at it in terms of like this, but you've got a ways to go for it to really crack. I mean, Apple looks like it wants to do another test. Let's see. To get the Tom, it's not out yet. How much will the people that aren't subscribed already pay? It's going to be a higher amount. We haven't said what it's going to be. You can get lifetime. We've told you guys what the lifetime membership will be. It'll be $13.48. That's the lifetime membership of it. Let's see. Let's see here. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, you never know. There's 396.50 again. Can't trust anyone these days. Nope. Baba was pricing in what do you call it? Like 9%. Sorry for the questions. No, that's fine. You can ask as many questions as you want. You just been on the Discord for a while. I was just gonna join today, but found out that you guys were moving platforms. No. So Cody, it makes more sense to come in today if you actually want to come in. Because you will get access to the special deal. If not, and you wait, it's gonna come in at a higher amount. Invictus said spy cross, but it didn't. Let me look. Where's this? Hold on. If that happened, I'll have to message. Yeah, I'll shoot a message to them. All right, we'll get that one fixed. Discord's worth it until new platform launches. There you go. Let's see. Sounds good. I'll be joining tomorrow morning. Hopefully the site isn't launched. Let's do it. Yeah, it won't be tomorrow. Thoughts on Apple Invictus? It's almost too close to the 200 here. Like, yeah, it could run up, break it, but you're flirting with just another very aggressive rejection. How in the... Yeah, I was going to say, the others should not be up that much. Yeah, a lot of things look like they could go either way right here. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see what we get going into late. Nah, here comes another slip. SPY slipping. Facebook back down to the 48. Let's see how many candles are 2 minutes left on this candle. Do they get to see my trades when I make them? No, we don't do that bullshit, man. It's that whole follow trade stuff is complete nonsense. Like doing that is okay, but one, there's a delay. Two, you have no idea why you're entering, which is going to make it so much more stressful when you're in the. It doesn't help anybody. Like you might think it does, but it's better to just teach you exactly how to do it versus just hand it to you. It doesn't make any sense. Even if the trades are amazing, you're not learning anything. You can't do it for yourself, which is what we want. So no, but you get to see every single trades that our algorithms are taking. You get access to all those. Apple back up, Facebook fucking around. This is really slow, dude. Yeah, follow trading is not. I've always hated that. One, it's illegal. Like you can't do that. if the SEC ever decides that on a bad day, they're just like, yep, that's not allowed. It's like, well, you're all fucked. Like, that's how that works. It's completely not allowed. That's why when a lot of people were like, you're doing this, I'm like, no, we're not though. Like, we do one-on-ones. Yeah, we do one-on-ones. Yeah, we definitely do one-on-ones for all the strategy that goes in behind everything. SPY little pop back up. Apple trying to make its way up to the 200 there. Let's see. Facebook came back down below that 48. Thank you guys. No problem, buddy. Right. And some days, like, I'm not gonna see everything. So, like, if you're just dependent on me and I'm sitting here, like, just staring at Tesla, and you're like, well, this stock's moving, and I don't look at it, then you're just dependent on me being an asshole. Like, that's not good. Where's my certificate for completing all of the 1348 courses and passing the test? DM, it's all of your trips that you've taken to these uh countries, all the vacations that you've been able to take with all that money you're making. That's what it is. All right, Facebook slipped a little bit there. Silent solitude, it's illegal. You can't do that. All right, folks. Little pop here on the SPY. Apple trying to get above that. I mean, not above, but like it's 200 again. Or imagine you get it wrong because news comes out and skews the play. Then half your Discord leaves because they're overpositioned, lost the point. Exactly. It's like I don't know what your risk tolerance is and things like that. I know how I trade, and you have to. That's what it's all about. Like the whole like follow trading thing is like a dumpster fire. All right, let's see what we got here. Microsoft strong. Is it back above there? Ah, you fucker. Microsoft. I don't know. The SPY does look like it could get killed here. Squirrel, you might be right on that one. It does look like it could just get knifed. I don't know. We'll see. Microsoft looking good. Apple looking okay. Nice 50% on Netflix. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like you get at least one more push before death, but we'll see. Apple's looking like it wants to push here. Microsoft's looking pretty good. Let's see. How to get your life together after this incident? What incident? What incident, man? You all right? You missed the bulk of the Microsoft upside move, closed out before 10%. Not mad. That's perfectly fine, bro. If you had full size on that trade, what is that? 0.9% of your port? Fuck yeah. House burnt down? Oh, sorry, man. Hopefully it's insured. Amazon strong? No. Amazon is just banging its head on the 200 right now. This would piss me off. Let's see. What is Meta doing? Nothing. It's just fucking around here. It's just bouncing off the 13, hanging out at VWAP, waiting to see what the SPY wants to do. Here comes Apple. Was there news on Facebook today? No, I don't think so. All right, new candles. You feel like a genius because you played it both ways today? No, that's just following the chart, dude. It's not as hard as you think it is. Oh, okay. Yeah, so on that spy alert team, what most likely happened on this wick, these wicks right here, it crossed, triggered in the system, and then came back down. I bet if we replayed it, you would see that on these big wicks up, the 13 went boom, it crossed over the 48, and then came right back down with that movement. Now, Facebook is slipping. Apple's looking okay, though. All right, folks. Gemini Exchange says funds are available to withdraw at any time. Well, that's good. That's always good that they're not going to just steal everybody's money like Mr. Bankman-Fried over there. Apple movement. Facebook is a fucking slowpoke. Same thing with Amazon here. Zero move. Oops, sorry. I hit my coffee mug again. Let's see. Here we go. Apple with another test. Facebook getting sold into for no reason. This is the problem. If SPY drops from here, Facebook's dead. Nvidia. I wouldn't touch it just because the premium is going to be super bloated going into earnings. Like, it looks all right, but it's not. It doesn't look great. Yeah, Facebook is a dud here, dude. Absolute dud from what I'm seeing right now. Unless the SPY really rips, probably going to be a dud. Let's see. Baba falling through the gap. Baba has earnings. It's a coin flip, dude. Baba's a coin flip going into earnings. They have earnings tomorrow morning, so be very, very, very careful with that. Oh, that's fine. Let's see here. Facebook getting hit. This is flatlining here. How far? It's $1. Yeah, that took it. Let's see. That just looks like it's going to die. All right. Where's Apple? Can I get Target? I mean, it had earnings. And it's, what was it? Oh, wow. This actually made that move back up. Nice. Yeah, I was looking at this at 151 this morning. Right around here. Yeah, that thing made that nice move back up there. All right. Watch and see if SPY gets the crack here. Squirrel, I don't know, man. This could be the one. It just doesn't want to do fucking anything. 5% on 11/17, 396. You're playing tomorrow's? See, here's what I think about the SPY here. I think if it's gonna make a move, it's gonna be really quick. Like, it's just gonna go boom, and then you'll see the cascade sell. It's 1:30. You've still got a lot of time. This is about where it started to sell off yesterday in terms of like the timing of it. Where was this? Yeah, a little later. What do we have here? So, SPY got that closing candle below the. Oh, that's the one I was waiting for. Look, okay, so you guys didn't get this. No, it didn't. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. If I saw this on a 5-minute chart, this would scream at me. It's about to fucking die. So if this ends up getting that closing candle down below, then I would probably hit it. But it just doesn't. Like, if there it goes. There she goes. There she goes. Hey. Let's see if this is going to be the move. LQD 4% bond fund doing well, pays monthly. LQD's high yield or low or basically investment grade corporate debt. That's not the worst thing. Fed speaker at 2:30 today. 2:35. Waller speaks on the economic outlook. Let's see. Watch 396 here. See what I said? The move's going to be fucking quick. Like, it almost feels like chasing it now. There it goes. There's that knife candle. All right. I mean, this thing's fucking going, dude. That's a big candle. Here we go. I don't see any news on it. I mean, I did hit the puts like here. So I scaled out. Let's see. They're up 11.5. Let's see if this gets the big move. You got 2 minutes to go on this candle here. Let's see. It's still going. Watch 395.50 and then watch the low, 395. 17. Yeah, I'm up 10, 10.5, 11, 10.5. It's flickering. I don't know. Let's see. With these moves, you're really seeing if they're going to continue. 395.50 is going to be a key level, but you're probably going to need to wait another candle for it to do. Here it goes. And let's see. I mean, look at this now. Look at this on the 4-hour now. This could be the bait and switch, but you could see it come down to here. I mean, if this thing really wants to go, it can. That's a big candle. You just don't want it to get bought right back up. Tapping lows here. 14%, 13.48%. Nice. All right, here's that break of 395.50. All right, we're gonna do. All right, new candle. Yeah, there it is. So let's see what this wants to do. If you get two big candles like that, spaghetti-o. Dude, I killed with 500% on 394 puts yesterday, holding 390s today, so we'll see. Yeah, we will see. I mean, I'm kind of waiting to see if this is going to be an aggressive sell-off again. But it's almost like fucking clockwork at this time of the day. Like between 1 and 2, you start to see these moves happen, these reversals. Yeah, I'm up like 10.5% on these. I could always take them and then just be done. 12%. I scaled out around 12. There goes 13. I want to see if it just goes dead here. Like dead, like down hard, breaks lows hard. That might be it. No, they bought it there. They're wiping out some of those orders. Let's see. MACD's telling you to. Where's the blue pill line? What price? C Rich. What price is that at? It's hunting a cascade. Let's see. Dude, that 200 EMA rejection would have been the filthiest trade of the day. Jesus. It just keeps tapping 395.50. 395.60 holding below. Okay. The candle closed below there. All right. Let's see if this gets the cascade. That new MACD is looking like it wants to cross here too. Where's the RSI? That's the 4 hour. It's got a little room, but nothing crazy. Yeah, so I'm playing Fridays on these. Kind of want to wait it out, see what happens on this next candle. That 200 was why you couldn't play calls. Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, these two rejections were hard as hell. These are up like 13% flickering. Nobody's really following through on this. And buyers are coming back up with it. I didn't see any news come through. No. We'll see. It reminds me of this. This is the only issue. It reminds me of this move today where it shot down hard and couldn't continue and just got bought right back up. Slight differences here. Like if you look at where the RSI was then, it was probably cooked. Same spot. Did I get puts for SPY and sell already? Yeah. I mean, I already scaled out. I still have a little bit left. So we'll see. I want this next candle. I want to see what happens on the next candle. If it opens and shoots, I'm out. Dollar moving up. Only up 0.88% today. I think I'm done. That's still solid, man. How much time? Yeah, it reminds me of this. 16 seconds. Okay, let's see what they get here. Very new, just trying to pick up on stuff. Twisted, I would hop in there and join us. That's where all of our curriculum videos are. That's where all the educational live streams are. Our community of people will be more than happy to help get you up to speed here. All right, so that didn't. Let's see. I'll hold these. Whatever. We'll see what happens here, squirrel. Over 300% gains on the month since I started doing options and watching your videos daily. Clinton. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Can a preferred equity get delisted? That's possible. I don't know. Either way, the whole point of it is to raise money, and they've raised a pathetic 30 million while all of that money has been literally depleted. The value is gone unless some people buy it, but you're literally just buying a GoFundMe. So careful. Here it comes back down a little bit. 13 on the 1 minute to your stop. That's smart. Where is that? It could just rim on the 1 minute here and die. Let's see. Apple's still moving down. Apple could bounce off VWAP though. You got to be careful of that. And then you need a big move below 395.50 on SPY. Yeah. There it goes. Nope. Didn't get it. Yeah, these are only up like 8.5 now. So we'll see. Nine and a half. I want a big fuck you candle down, but I don't know if we're going to get it. The buyers look like they're kind of trying to step up on this thing. Yeah, that might be it there. Let's see. Yeah, that's done. Unless it's trying to reject 396. I don't know. Let's see. Can I explain my thesis on when to enter a trade? It's almost all 1348 strategy. Everything that we teach, levels, reading the where the EMAs are, looking at this new MACD, the RSI in relation to its moving average, everything. Little bait and switch there. Let's see. That's tapping, man. Those sellers stepped up though, so we'll see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. Helps out a whole lot. Oh, we're 30 away from 200. Thank you, team. This isn't like massive sell-off that we saw yesterday. This is just honestly nonsense. That's what we're seeing here. Dude, this feels so similar to what we saw earlier today. Like so similar to this. The 1 hour crop, you'd be late on that, man. The new MACD is, what is it, 24.52.18? It just smooths it out and makes it a lot more accurate. All right, let's see what we get here. Tesla's been quiet this week. Tessie's been very quiet this week. Apple's holding its 48 right now. SPY's just screwing around. Let's see. Kill it. Kill it. No, that's not killing it. That's also not killing it. Dixie, did it move? Is Dixie headed back up? Dixie's flatlined right now. A lot of topside wicks on the 1 minute, a lot of sellers. That's what I was thinking too. I was like, it keeps coming back up to into this level here and then just gets shat on. But the buyers are going to be sitting down here. That's the only thing. Yeah, watch 396. Because if 396 cracks, it could probably move up with some speed to like 396, 10, 15, 20. Like it could get up quick. There's a little knife. Come on. You want to kill it? Yeah, that wasn't bad there. You still need 395.50. Like that's really what you need. You had like even the 1 minute candles didn't do it. They tried, but they couldn't get there. Here comes Iowa. I would love to see Iowa, bro. If this thing went to Iowa, oh boy, that would be fun. But yeah, so see, dude, look at this fucking thing. These 1 minute candles are drunk. There's a lot of sellers. They gonna hit it here? Are they gonna pump it up? Let's see. That could have been the stop hunt. Looks like Apple wants to break down. It's hanging on to that 48 by a thread. No, you're getting to kind of decision zone here. Apple and this is an EMA sandwich, is what this is. Apple's an EMA sandwich right next to VWAP and a key level of support. I'd be very careful with that. I mean, I technically could just set the stop here where I'm fucking around with it. I'm in Iowa. I'll let you know if I see it. You'll know. You'll know if we see some Iowa. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm setting a stop there. Fuck you. This is nonsense. That's where the stop's going. Right there. Boom. If it hits it, cool. If it doesn't, whatever. I'm up like what, 9.5% on these, 10%? Whatever. Let's see. RSI moving below. Wait for MACD to print greens. On what, Detective Popcorn? I mean, the MACD's probably not going to be start printing greens around here. On what stock? Apple? Light greens? You talking about light greens on Apple? Oops, that's wrong Apple. That's the right Apple. I mean, it is doing light greens. What's the RSI at? Watch the RSI fall below 50. Either way, it's just so wound up and tight. I'd be careful of it. The thing that looks like it has the most room to go would be the SPY. You do have the support level right here at 395.19. Be careful, but what have we seen out of the SPY in the last couple of days? It just loves to sell at this time. So, I mean, you're seeing everything on the indicators showing you that it has the potential to break down. And I mean, I'm really just using this 1 minute 13 as an indication of, okay, this thing could die. I'm up 12% now. Cool. Let's see if this wants to break hard. STV's oh, you meant red? Yeah. 401 viewers, only 185 likes. People smash the like button. Parsa, appreciate that, man. Shout out to everybody in here. Love you guys. STV's private Iowa. No, here, it's flickering. I think we could definitely test lows. We'll see. I think we could do it. I mean, it got bought up there at right below 395.50. So that's kind of where the buyers stepped up on it. Let's see if the sellers are going to be strong enough to push this thing down. The only thing is that you saw a lot of the sellers coming in up here. So are they going to be strong enough to continue it lower? I don't know. It just keeps 1 minute rimming. Squirrel. I want a big fuck you knife candle is what I want, but we'll see. My stop's in profit, so they can fuck off with these crazy moves. They're not going to shake me out unless they're going to stop hunt me, which I think would be pretty difficult from this level. Now that I've said that, they're probably going to do it. So we'll see. We will see. All right, guys, I got to go to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. So for those of you guys that have not already, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. And if you want that special deal before we do launch platform, here you guys go. If you guys just want to join anyway, get access to Invictus and the other most powerful trading tools on the market, make sure you guys hop in there. What's Invictus at right now for percentages today? Right now it's 67, so it's 10 for 15 today. Still better than almost any of us trade on a day-to-day basis. So SPY flickering around here, right around 395.50. But give me like 2 seconds. I got to run to the bathroom, hit that like button on the way in, run that up over 200. I would appreciate it, but it'll be like 2 seconds. What's up, team? Ooh. It's hunting the cascade. It's hunting the cascade. Oh, there you guys go. You got it above 200. I appreciate that. All right. So we're up like, what, 11% on these SPYs? Whatever. Zynga to buy Tom Ford fashion operations in the Estee Lauder deal. That's interesting. Well done, Bruce. Appreciate that, buddy. All right, there's 3. It's 2 cents off of this low. Yeah, there's 395.50. Kill it. Kill it. There, it broke. These are up 15% now. Let's see. Come on. Give me a knife candle. I'd love to see a knife below day lows. That would be real sweet. When's platform coming out? Matthew, very soon. What the fuck was that? Spy, why are you screwing around at this? Come on. Inflation, bro. Job numbers. Come on. This, yeah, look at this. Buyer stepped up a little bit there. It seems like they just keep trying to stop hunt it because almost everybody knows what happened yesterday and they're like, puts. Yeah, Apple, you're really watching Apple. If Apple starts breaking VWAP 148.50, no, it's not going to do it here. So 395.41 is the new more recent low. It's really right at this support level here, though, on these flash candles. So we'll see if it wants to get back down to 395.19. It can. It's just a matter of if it's going to. What are these up? Like 13%. Cool. I'm playing some Friday, so we'll see. If it really drops, these will go nuts. If it doesn't, I'll just get stopped out in profit and then be perfectly fine. I do like how it's holding below this 13 here and it's not getting these candle closes above. If it starts to reverse like that, that's going to be a little shitty. How's the 5-minute look? Eh. You're at 20. Fuck you, squirrel. I'm at 13.48%. So who's the real winner? Me. Just kidding. They are blasting through a lot of these orders here. So let's see if any of them step up. There is some right there. Apple, little lower here. Nothing crazy, though. Why are you so mean to Squirrel? Squirrel likes to beat me. You haven't traded since Amazon Invictus earlier. 0.98% on the day. Won't be mad if you burned it. That's perfectly fine, Sam. It's a solid day, dude. Chop, 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 chop. Just get your... Dude, this thing is wicking all over the place. Let's see. Remember what happened yesterday when I had those next Friday contracts that went up like 50%? And I was like, fuck, I gotta sell these. You're just often wrong by a penny. I know. Squirrel's mean to SB most days. I'm sorry. I apologize. Made your 1% for the day. I'm done. Gonna go to the gym. Tyler, good shit, buddy. Ooh, little knife there on the SPY, and it gets bought right back up. Who would have thought? Dude, these 1-minute candles are kind of fucking annoying. Like, they're kind of annoying right now. It's not far off of the lows of the day. Like, it really doesn't have that much further to go if it holds down below 395.50, but we'll see. Squirrel, what are you at? 22% or something? I'm up 15. Which one was this? Oh, ZI. Oh, emotional damage. Here comes some emotional damage on the SPY. Let's see if they follow through, and they are. There it goes. What are these up? Now I'm up 20. Time to move the stop loss up into more profit. Pay me more guaranteed money, SPY. I swear to fucking God, though, if they wick this thing back up here and take this order, I'm going to cause a scene. Was that Iowa? Yeah, that was Iowa right there. New lows. Watch out. Iowa has a lot of cows. I'm fine with cows. I don't have a problem with them. I used to live right next to a bunch of them in college, so I'm cool with the cows. Down. That's not down, SPY. At 26%. Nice. Nice. How's Invictus doing now? Still 10 for 15. Still solid, man. ZI got halted? Oh, yeah, it is halted. That's dirty. $25% QQQ puts. Nice. This 1-minute chart, bro, is literally on cocaine. See how crazy it's moving? So let's see how this goes towards the end of the day. You know about the animals and girls you're doing? Definitely the animals. We don't mess around with cows. Yeah. These are good. They're up what, 19%? 17? 18? Doing good. The stop is at probably like 7.5% in the green. That's probably where it is right now. You had ZI the other day on the Pythagoras play. Oh, do I have it? Oh, I might. Hold on, I might. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Come on. Nope, I don't have it. That's unfortunate. But the algorithm's up 2.29% today, which is pretty sweet. All right. So now we're looking at the 395 break on the SPY. If it wants to do it, great. You might get the cascade, and it would be really, really, really cool if you came down and tested. I thought I drew a level there. No? Okay, cool. I guess not. 394.50. You really just want to tap these lows and bounce, bro? If that's what you're trying to do here? All right. Are we going to test yesterday's lows? If you break 395, it's very possible. Apple at VWAP. Yeah, and it's at this fucking level here, bro. Yeah, I'm up like 21% now, which is nice. I'm perfectly okay with that. Come on, keep going. Keep it going. I'll keep moving my stop loss up a little by little until you just get to death territory. Up 20% on next Wednesdays. You must have gotten those early. See, remember how we were talking about this move here, guys? And I was like, if this is going to happen, it's going to happen super quick. And if you don't get it in early enough, you're probably going to be chasing it. Now, if you, again, you chase it here, this is the problem. You could have chased it down here, you get stopped out here, and then it continues lower. So looking at this, and here's exactly how we're doing this. And I want you guys to understand what the thought process is behind. Look at this MACD here. Bend it. That's Apple. Sorry. That didn't make sense. Look at this MACD here starting to lose that momentum. You saw the rejection of the 200 EMA. RSI crosses down below its moving average and 50 and then starts dying. That's all we're doing here on this one. Yeah, break under 395 could be. Now I'm only up like 15% because this thing is deciding to be a shithead. Now it's doing the same nonsense around the 1 minute 13. I want that 295 break. I don't think these are going to get stopped unless it just goes boom and like fucking starts going crazy. But yeah, Apple is at VWAP here. It's bouncing off of it. If it slips and then breaks this 148.50, 148.42, that's going to be icky. Oh, there it goes again. I'm up, what, 17%? Haha. Again, guys, the stop loss strategy wins again. So I've already scaled out of this position and I have my stop pretty deep in profit. So I cannot lose on this trade. ZI is still halted. I don't know why the fuck we're watching that. Where's Tesla? We'll see. Apple might cross down on the 5. Was there an Apple Invictus down? I thought there was. I didn't see the exact news for ZI, but it had to do with. I actually don't know. I'll go on to Fast Stock News and see. It was just downside watch. I didn't see any news on it. Yeah, this thing's still flickering. It's still below 395.50 though. For now. I mean, it's tapping to the upside there. That's not the app I want. There. Watch this. I'm just letting this thing go. If it ends up stopping me out on profit, fucking so be it. Like, let this thing go. Your Apple puts earlier in the day got stopped out at a 20% gain. Those stops I don't mind hitting. Yeah, those are fine. And remember, I'm already up. SPY. That 1 minute's going to be a little bit annoying if it holds above here. If it does this, flashes up here and then sells right back down below 395.50, I would like that. But if it doesn't and you get another opening candle above this 13, I could easily see like a test of the 48 here, maybe even a 3-minute rim, which it just did, and then potentially moving up for a 5-minute rim, which is possible. 395.84. I don't think that'll get me. Nah, that probably would. 395.84 would probably get me. I use both, but Webull is going to have more accurate data here. or sorry, TradingView is going to have more accurate data because we're paying for it. So we'll see what happens here. See if it wants to get back down to Iowa. Apple looking like it wants to melt a little bit here. You got 2 hours left in the day. So we'll see. Back down below 395.50, flickering around. And again, also the charts that we give you guys have all of the support and resistance levels drawn out for you. Shout out to Hot Potato. I think was Hot Potato that did this. And then Apple got it there. Let's see. Yeah, this should move back up. What is Iowa? It's new lows. That's what Iowa is. So for some reason, somebody in the private stream in one of the mornings said Iowa instead of new lows. I don't know why. New low. They were supposed to say lows. So now we just called new lows Iowa for fun. Yeah, these are up around 16% right now. So we'll see what happens with these. No, someone else made that and consolidated all into one indicator, so we don't have to pay for more expensive TradingView subscription. Oh, awesome, buddy. All right. That's a candle that I like there. Kill it. Kill it. Amazon. What's up with Amazon? Amazon. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, I see that. Don't you fuck around over there. Oh, Invictus for Amazon? I don't hate it. It's not my favorite thing in the world. You just have VWAP that you're kind of screwing around with there. What the hell is in Iowa? I don't know. Thank you so much, sir. I seriously, what you're doing for the people is noble. Kiffers, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I mean, again, as you guys know now, we deal with a lot of nonsense all the time, but again, you cannot stop what we're doing. The things that we have coming for you guys are revolutionary, just like Pythagoras and Invictus, but to a higher magnitude. So we're going to continue to make these things amazing for you guys. And those of you guys that are in there, we are going to reward you with that discount when the time comes, which is going to be very soon. So anybody that's already in there with us is going to be getting that basically 50% off discount. So if you guys are interested, and again, if you're interested in just coming in there with us anyway, here's that link right there. Invictus, monster. Pythagoras, monster. You get all the live streams every single day. Our rapidly growing community. Spy's fucking around here. And classy. It's going to be classy. Thanks, Andy. Very classy. Very. Hey, Spy. Don't you fucking do it. What are these up? Only 11% now. Oh, no. Plus access to STV's OnlyFans. Nah, you can't have that. All right. That's an inflection point on the 13 on the 1 minute. It's rimming the 3 minute again. Mom, the Spy is rimming. Andy Lurkin. Andy's always hey, it's good background noise when I just talk about doing crack, I guess, and printing on spy puts. It's fun. I wish we were getting to Iowa, but yeah, I don't think you get access to my OnlyFans. That's not. This is gonna get me, I think. No, I still got some room. I still have a little room. Yeah, shout out to Andy. Andy's an absolute beast on the keyboard. SB, I have a question. What's your question, Christopher? Please just ask it next time. Oh, my arm is itchy. Squirrel, did you stick to the 1 minute? Because I'm sticking with my stop. Keyboard warrior? Andy's not a keyboard warrior. Well, I mean, not in like the typical sense, but like I would call him a warrior on the keyboard. Like he's pretty nasty with like typing stuff. Did I get stopped up? No, I didn't. I'm still fine. I've still got a lot of wiggle room on this thing. I got like 13 cents a contract. Now little less. Now 10. Now 9. Now ooh. It's fine. Spy, stop being a shithead. You said fuck the stop. I'm just watching and listening, making a grilled cheese sandwich. Dude, set your stuff. Yeah, I mean, I feel like we're doing the same thing. It already made a nice move. Just set that stop at somewhere reasonable, and then you're good to go. Yeah, Andy, if you're still lurking in here, I can't wait to show everybody what you've been able to create. It's fucking cool. It is so cool. Scalping the Chop City Amazon paid again today. Yeah, I mean, Amazon was sweet yesterday. Oops, I kind of screwed it up though. On the Amazon, which it is what it is. Pretty nasty with the typing stuff. Belongs on every programmer's resume. Yeah, dude, it does. You've been in paper trading for months and decided to try real cash yesterday. Seems like you keep getting stopped out and losing. Is that because of the 15-minute delay I'm used to? It might be, or it's your just emotions. It might be, Christopher. All right, SPY fucking around at 395.50 again. Microsoft, Google, Invictus alerts both down. Interesting. Bankman Fried says he was wrong about FTX leverage levels. The sky is fucking blue. Moron. Even though he's probably way smarter than me. Moron. Microsoft. We hit the Microsoft puts this morning, didn't we? Yeah, those are on my Instagram story. I don't hate that. That I don't hate actually at all. Because if SPY does, Microsoft's been moving like a shithead today. I hit the Microsoft calls and puts today for nasty gains. Those were fun. Every time you say Christopher, I feel like I'm in trouble. You are. Some days you just take those base hits, 3 for 3 on scalps, 5% on the port. Then I go to your full-time job. There you go. I think the Fed speaking at 2:30 today is going to have a big impact on the SPY. It could if they say something crazy, but I think that the Fed speakers are going to come out and try to reel everything back in, which would send things lower, which kind of goes along with the thesis here. I mean, look at this on the 5-minute too. Like this is just rimming around. What do I have? How much room do I have? 16 cents a contract on these SPYs now. There you go. If Bangros buys the FTX Stadium in Miami, will I invest in the stock? I don't think they're publicly traded, bro. Like, no. Just because they buy a thing doesn't mean they're automatically being publicly traded. They can still advertise. When Invictus sends an alert, is it delayed? No. Invictus alerts are not delayed. What the fucking nonsense? What's going on here? DraftKings melting. Yeah, Microsoft melting too. Wow, that's a big move on DraftKings. Holy shit. Oh, and guess what had an Invictus alert at 2:06? DraftKings. Dude, that's gnarly. That is gnarly. Oh, that Invictus on DraftKings is filthy, dude. Nice. Whoever hit that one, good for you. Oh, TSM suspends esports partnership with FTX. I'm about to suspend my partnership with the SPY if it keeps doing this. Algo said 0.3 second latency. Oh, that's fine. Oh, but yeah, Invictus does front run everything. I still have my 10, 11 cent per contract buffer. Ooh. Ooh. Unacceptable, Algo. Don't be coming at my guy Algo like that. All right, let's see. You hit the DraftKings? Nice. Why spy tanking? It's really just a technical move down. We have the Fed speakers coming in a little bit too. I want to see it go to Iowa, which would be sick. The problem is that as these Fed speakers start saying stuff, you could see it pop, lock, and just get murdered. Which I'm hoping it's at a low enough point that if it does that, it's not going to hunt me. Which either way, it's more free money. Now I have 20 cents a contract. Oh, send it to Iowa, baby. You need SPY at 295. You're gonna be disappointed then, Parsa. No, wait, that was a typo. DraftKings still moving down. Apple breaking VWAP would be big. Amazon, let's go. 1348 for the win. Dude, every fucking day we're winning. Every day. Did DraftKings cross? Yeah, it did. Is it saying it crossed? Yeah, DraftKings cross. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Send her to Iowa. Just go to fucking Iowa. Dude, I know. I want it down there. It just doesn't look like it wants to get there. This is also 3-minute candles, too, so it can get a little fucked up. Am I playing 0 days? No. I'm saying there's a 20-cent buffer between where the contracts are and where my stop loss in profit is. I'm not playing 0 days. I'm not buying contracts that are 20 cents, bro. That's craziness. So, guys, we've been fucking demons with the SPY over the last few weeks. Hold on. I sound like your dad. He's Eastern European. He has a thick accent. How the fuck do I sound like your dad? I think you need Daniel. I don't know about that one, man. I don't know, bro. 1 minute MACD thinning out. Fuck the 1 minute MACD. Just kidding. How's the 5 minute? SPY. Why did I just click the 30 minute? That's being a fucker. All your abandoned kids, you might just be. Yeah, when I what do you call it? Sell them. Nice. I still have like a 15-cent buffer per contract, even though the SPY is not going to Iowa yet. I sound like your daddy's Irish. I'm not Irish, so that's going to be a tough one. I explained it. You just emphasize individual syllables in the same word. Oh, cool. Here's what I want. And this is what I've learned that one time at the blackjack table like a year ago, let a little less than a year ago. All you have to do, and we talked about this, is ask nicely, and then you get whatever you want. This is on the 3 minutes, so this is going to be fucking around. So, SPY, I formally request Iowa. Can I please pay my taxes? Andy, I'm so good at paying my taxes that I'm gonna pay too much. I'm gonna overpay my taxes, Andy. That's how fucking awesome I am. I'm gonna overpay. I'm gonna go above and beyond and pay them more. Then they're gonna send it back. I think. Hopefully. I don't know. But I know I'm really good at it. I don't want the IRS ever coming to give me a call. Never. They can stay wherever the fuck they are, away from me. And then Bill or Bob or whatever the fuck his name is that was going to run for president in here, his only thing was no taxes. And so we all vote for him and we're good to go. Spy, stop being an asshole. We're still fine. No, Andy, I know the joke. I know the joke. No, I don't avoid taxes, dude. No, that's not for me. See, when I write those tax checks, vote for Bob. Yeah, dude. Everybody vote for Bob. No taxes. Or we can just all move to Dubai, denounce our citizenship, and then let the oil barons pay for it. 10% flat tax. Run it, bro. Apple bouncing off VWAP. Ah, come on. Give us something good. Dude, I had to like order shit online quickly to be able to cook because remember, I don't have knives. I don't have shit here. I've started cooking. You know what I eat for lunch? It's like 6 eggs. My accountant said, you have no write-offs. Here's some emotional damage. Yeah, the only thing that I can probably write off is this phone. Because it's not hooked up to anything, and it's just me taking pictures that then or videos that we're then gonna use. And this is like what, $1,000? That's not helpful. He was asking me last year too. He was like, dude, like, don't you have stuff to write off? I'm like, what? I sit in my room. They're like, equipment. I'm like, how much money am I gonna spend on equipment? Oh, I did buy this ring light too. I don't know. That's not, they can figure it out. All I do is I make sure that I can pay them, and then that's it. We don't want, again, me, Andy, Gabe, Ivan, no tax issues. None. Rent. That's the other thing that I could write off because I work here. Internet costs. I should be able to do that too. Miso soup. No. I have to like cook something for like a Friendsgiving. So I know what I'm going to cook. I just don't have like the utensils. Spy, stop. This is nonsense here. Bullshit. This is number one bullshit. All right, let's see what we get here. I'll have to look into those. You get a deduction because you use your home for your business? Yeah, I know. Write off last year's cutlets that I would eat on stream. Friendsgiving. You know what that is? It's when you cook a bunch of shit with your friends and then you eat it. Percentage of the square footage they use for work. See, that's why I think it's stupid. They might get me here. Nope. Still got a buffer. Fuck you, Spy. Like, I'm not gonna nickel and dime it. Like, it's not like it's like, oh yeah. Oh, the chair? I could have written off the chair. The talk today? No. Oh, this is getting a little spicy here. Guess who didn't get stopped out yet? This guy. Still in profit. Just get a proper CPA. No, I have a good one. Don't worry. You can find everything to write off. You know what I should write off? The club. I just need like one of you guys to come with me. Percentage of utilities. That'd be nice. Spy? No. None of this shit, right? Yeah, they're coming for me. Fuck, they're about to get me. Damn it. They got me. Damn it. Stopped out in profit. Assholes. Those fuckers. How rude. How rude of them. Watch, they're going to send this lower now. Anything you can say? Yeah, I know. I know I can, because then it's annoying to me, because I don't think it's not going to put me in a different bracket. So it's like, what are we doing here? Spy trap. Nah, watch this move to, yeah. If it breaks 396 with speed, it's going to like the 48 here and running back up. Oops. Oh, team. Wait, where's Invictus 13 for 19? Not bad. Not bad. I mean, platform will probably when talk. There is no talk. It's like 4 minutes. It's not like the like Powell. It's just like somebody speaking from the Fed at like and giving like an economic outlook somewhere. It's nothing crazy. 1 year you took 100K income and turned it into 49K. Ryan, you're doing some suspicious shit. Fuck you, Spy. That's annoying. Where's Squirrel? Yeah. I don't know. That's probably it for today then. It's just been a day of just quick scalping across the board. Emotional damage. Yeah, bro. I mean, it's still above 395.50. It did get to Iowa, which was cool, but you're on my way to drive the like button to therapy. It's complaining about being abused. Me and your viewers, so I pulled over and started hitting it. Now it's telling me to hit harder. Ronnie, that's a bit sus there, but run it up. Run it up, dude. Just finishing lunch. Squirrel. If you hit this without me, I'm gonna be disappointed. But I still have some special sauce cooked in there. Bonds are climbing. Yields or hold on, I'll just look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bonds are rising. Yields are getting killed. What's up, Vix? Not much, buddy. All right, guys. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to be wrapping up this afternoon live for today. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way out, helps make it a little bit easier for you guys when you want to come back in here. And again, if you want to come check out Invictus and get access to the 50% off deal when we do launch very, very, very soon, come to the best place to come and learn how to trade, man. I mean, the tools, unmatched, community, fire. You guys see everybody in here all the time making gains. Let's just run through the gains channel really quickly. How are they doing? 1% on the day, 7% on the day, 40% on Apple puts. Fuck yeah, Tabasco Dave. 1.23%, 9.79 on the day. Dude, you guys are killing it. So again, I will see all of you guys that are already in there with us in the afternoon stream. Don't get left out. We're going to be having some fun. Woo! Other than that, team, I will see you guys later. Peace.